Nampa police says they're seeing an uptick in gang activity and related crimes. CBS 2's Sophia Dumani explains what officers think is behind the trend.
Well, this morning, 8 people are behind bars in Canyon County accused of killing a 16-year-old boy. And even more alarming, Nampa police say this is not an isolated incident. It's actually a rising problem. They believe this killing is gang-related, and Nampa Sergeant Jason Cantrell says he's actually seen an increase in shootings, stabbings, and other violent crimes. Now, the last time gang activity was on the rise was nearly 12 years ago, and Cantrell says he thinks he knows why it's starting back up again.
Some of the people that in the 2007, 8, and on that were getting released from prison and back out in the community are back making a name for themselves.
During that time, they created the Metro Violent Crimes Task Force to fight that rise in gang activity. Today, the task force is still operating, just with much less power behind it. Cantrell says they simply don't have people out there to be constantly working on that problem. Now, according to Sergeant Cantrell, community outreach and rehab programs for juveniles in Nampa is the best way to combat this growing issue. Reporting live in the Satellite Center, Sophia Dumani, CBS 2 News.